Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a Twit-Vid review. So what actually is Twit-Vid? Guys, transform your tweets into attention-grabbing videos in just a few clicks that you can share on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. You know, short video is very much popular right now. You will be able to create unlimited short video using this simple software Twit-Vid. Guys, I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software Twit-Vid. I'm going to show also quick demo how actually works this software. So don't skip this video before watching demo. Guys, right now I'm going to show you the pricing of the software. The price of the software is very low, very cheap, only $19 you can pay on and use a lifetime this software. Okay guys, you can see this deal on appsumo.com. If you purchase this software, link in my video description below with 10% save. Guys, honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this software, okay? And if you purchase this software through my link, I will get a small commissions, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like these. Okay guys, and I'm going to show also quick overview. Is the software legit or scam? I'm going to show you everything, okay? And you can see the plans and features, deal terms and conditions, lifetime access to Twit-Vid. You must redeem your course within 60 days of purchase. All future unlimited plan updates, so no problem, this software will be updated, so you will get all the update totally free, okay? And please note, this deal is not stackable because they will increase their price. Right now 75% off, only $19. You can imagine it. You can purchase one software that you will be able to create unlimited videos, short video actually, and this is very attention grabbing video you'll be able to create. I'm going to show quick demo, then you will be fully understand guys, so stay tuned. And if you purchase this lifetime deal right now, just one tier software, what you will get, unlimited videos, 100 GB of cloud storage, tweet customization, blue stick and stock footage, upload own footage, length calculation, priority support. Okay guys, and you can see the customer reviews, 9 reviews available here. They are happy because they all are quick and easy videos for Insta, TikTok, and YouTube. They claim great tool. They all are give 5-star feedback, so you can also try it out. Right now guys, I'm going to show you quick demo how actually works this software Twit-Vid. So let's see that demo, then you can try it out. So let's see this quick demo guys. This demo is created by the software owner, so let's see it. You will be fully understand, very easy to use, okay? You have no need to technical skills to create high converting videos. Just copy any kind of tweet. Just I want to copy this tweet, I want to create video using this tweet. Just copy this URL and paste it here guys, just paste it here. I'm going to show you the quick demo, so let's see.
As you can see, we here have our product, and basically what you do is you paste a tweet, and for this one I'm going to just take this one as an example. You paste a tweet, you upload footage, and in a second I'm going to show you how we can style this. So there's different options that we can pick, from light mode to dark mode, and then for this video I'm going to take the transparent dark mode. I'm going to hit create video now, and I'll be back with you in a second. Usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate a video, and I'll show you the result. So as you can see, we're going to render. I'm going to quickly pause it here right now, and I'll be back with you in 1 to 2 minutes. So as you can see, it finished rendering, and this is another video with the same tweet, and here's the one we just created, and we can download it here, and then as you can see, we have the end result right here. So yeah, and you can just do this for as many tweets as you want with all these different styles. And that is Twit-Vid. So hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any other questions, you can always reach out to us via support@twitvid.com. And yeah, I'm very excited for you to start using our tool and grow across the board of socials using short video content. That being said, Wishing you a lovely day to wherever in the world you are. And yeah, that was it. Bye.
Okay guys, I think you fully understand how actually works this software Twit-Vid, and this is very easy to use software. I highly recommend you can purchase it because this money will worth you guys. Okay, this software will worth you, and you will be able to create this type of video, very attention grabbing and very new design video you can produce, and you can upload on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Also, you can upload on Twitter. Also, you can share this video on Facebook and in Snapchat. So this is the right time to purchase this software. Okay, and this is 100% risk-free software. Guys, link in my video description below. Don't forget to click the link, and you can see also all of my recommended tools that I use to create my to establish my business. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel also. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon in my next video.